Good morning, children. A very cheerful morning to all my little kids, my little and dear students. Hannah, how are you, beta? Fine. And what about your studies? कैसी चल रही है आपकी पढ़ाई? Are you able to complete the notes? Yes, because now we are moving towards our SEM first. So you have to update your notebook also. Children, I want to ask something from you. Have you gone to shopping sometime with your parents और with your mama? आपने क्या क्या ख़रीदा होगा? कपड़े ख़रीदे होंगे, बुक्स ख़रीदे होंगे, ग्रॉसरी भी तो ख़रीदी होगी और कभी फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स भी लिए होंगे. देन व्हाट यू टेल टू योर मॉम? आप मम्मा को क्या बोलते हो? मम्मा को इशारा करते हो ना, मम्मा सी दिस इज़ एन एप्पल. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Mama, see, this is a chiku. Chikus are on the table. अरे मैम तो ए एंड द का यूज़ कर रही है. हमें तो मैम का टॉपिक ही समझ में आ गया. नाउ वी आर स्मार्ट एंड एक्सपर्ट. मैम किस तरफ ड्रैग कर रही है हमको तो पहले से ही पता चल गया है ना. माई चिल्ड्रन हैव बिकम नाउ सो स्मार्ट, है ना. करेक्ट, यू आर करेक्ट ऑन योर पॉइंट. यस, we are going with our topic, that is a and the. So are you set with your book? Yes, it's on page number 31. The topic is a and the. Today we will be going with the explanation part of a and the. So first we will watching the video. Are you set? So children, are you set to watch the video? Our topic is, as you know, a and the. So let's watch.
11. A and the. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. A butterfly, an umbrella, a tree, an ant, a goat, an aeroplane. We use an before a naming word that begins with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U sound. We use a.
Children, where we use a and, we use a and before a naming word that begins with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there, children? A, E, I, O, U. Repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. Sound. We use a and with the vowels A, E, I, O, U sound, and we use a before a naming word that begins with a consonant sound. A, E, I, O, U के अलावा जो रिमेनिंग अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं we call them consonants. So we use A for them. Follow, children?
A before a naming word that begins with a consonant sound. Read the sentences given below. I have a pet dog. The dog plays with me. A princess lived in a palace. The princess was beautiful. My father has a laptop. He uses the laptop for his work. The is used before a name.
Now we have learned about a and. Now we will be learning about the. How and where to use the. The is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. And in sentences we say a pet dog the first time, but the second time we say the dog as we have talked about it before. पहले हम यूज़ करेंगे ए, पर उस चीज़ के लिए जब ये बात ख़त्म हो जाती है, पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, वी हैव टॉक्ड बिफोर, एट दैट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ द. पहले अ डॉग, देन द डॉग वॉज प्लेइंग.
A naming word when we have already talked about it. In sentences, 1. We say a pet dog the first time. But the second time we say the dog, as we have talked about it before. The is also used before names of seas, rivers.
बेटा the is also used before names of seas, rivers, ocean. For example, the Ganga and the Indian Ocean. The is used before names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort.
Rivers, oceans, example, the Ganga and the Indian Ocean. The is used before names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort. The is also used before names of things that are only one of their kind. For example, the sun, the moon,
The is also used that are of one kind, like the sun, the moon, the earth, universal. That is universal. The sun, the moon, the earth, the Taj Mahal, the Indian Ocean. There we use the. Okay.
the earth.
So, have you followed where we have to use and the? Got it? A for consonants, and for the vowels, and the where the things are of one kind, और for we have already talked about it, जिसकी हम लोग पहले बातें कर चुके हैं. So, this was all about A and the. Children, have you followed? How was the video? Yes, you will be talking to me, है ना. व्हाट्सएप पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, वीडियो कॉल भी कर सकते हैं मैम को बताने के लिए. हाउ वॉज द एक्सप्लेनेशन, हाउ वॉज द वीडियो, हमको मैम कितना समझ में आया, हम लोग खुद से कर रहे हैं मैम. Okay, okay. So it was all about A and the. Now there is a small worksheet for you. Okay, are you set with your notebooks? Okay, children, are you set with your notebook, pencil? Now you have to see that are you able to do or not. It's a small kind of test for you. Okay. Dash teacher. So T is, yes, tell me, it's a vowel? No. Then what you will be writing? A teacher. Train, a train. Ox. See the first word. O is an vowel. So you will be writing an ox. A doctor. An apple. A lion. Again O is a vowel. An onion. A hut. A banana. Okay, got it? Vowels के जगह ही सिर्फ A N यूज़ करना है, otherwise A. And yes, E is vowel, तो क्या यूज़ करना है? Got it? Yes. Again A is vowel. See the first letter, children, then you will come to know and it will be more easy for you. G, it's a consonant. So then, got it? Tree, a tree. An aeroplane, a butterfly. Now it's moon. अभी क्या करना है moon में? A, N और the. Yes, same kind, universal. क्या बताया था? So we will be writing the moon. Again Taj Mahal. Yes, और कोई है क्या ताज महल? नहीं, it's of one kind. So again the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Indian Ocean. Okay, Red Sea. Now what will come over here? Yes, got it, smart, the Red Sea. So children, you have to put A, N or the before these naming words. I have discussed each and every word with you. Now you might have got the clear idea about A and the, and this worksheet you will be doing in your book as well as in your notebook also. आपके लिए practice हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Practice makes a man perfect. So children, keep learning and keep enjoying. Play a lot. Do take care of yourself and have a great time, children. Bye bye.